kick it off, Julia, with you. In terms of the market performance today, pretty strong given the fact that, as I mentioned before, a few adverse factors sort of in our way. What did you make of the performance? Were volumes pretty light today?
It was holiday volumes. We saw just over $4 billion being traded, so a lot of people already on Easter holidays. I guess looking at the market, we were playing a little bit of catch-up. The market has been underperforming in the week to date. In fact, before today's session, the Australian share market has been down 1%, while the US market has been relatively flat. So a little bit of catch-up, and the market up by 0.6%. Surprisingly, the best performing sector on the market today was the consumer discretionary sector, where we did see stocks performing quite well. In fact, stocks like REA Group up by 3.5%. We also saw Slater and Gordon coming back online with a gain of 4%. Outside of that, though, we saw the oil sector doing well, so the energy sector performing well after West Texas Intermediate jumped by 5.2% overnight. And we also saw the banks and property space doing well on anticipation that we might see another interest rate cut on Tuesday. So all in all, a good day for the Australian share market, but on very light volumes.
And Noel, Julia, let's talk about QBE as well. They had an AGM today. The stock up close to 5% by the end of the session. Talk of dividends getting higher. Everybody loves hearing that. What do you make of some of the comments coming out of that today?
I think in the past, QBE has had a lot of headwinds, but now I think it's facing a lot of tailwinds, which is positive for shareholders. And these tailwinds tend to last a number of years, and that in particular is US interest rates on the way up. So if we have a look at QBE Insurance, I think a lot of the hard work is behind it. Its cost-cutting program, and now its profits are probably on the way up. So it does have the capacity to expand its dividend payout ratio. Now, its payout ratio probably looking at 50% or greater in terms of its cash payout, and also mulling the IPO of one of its businesses as well. So altogether, making the right type of noises. We know how much the market loves dividends, and also spin-offs have done very well in the past. So QBE Insurance doing very well today.
Mike, do you have a view?